Well, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? Welcome back, everybody. I'm Scott with Off Grid Stoves and More, and it is the first week of January, and it is, can you say it? Maybe not. Nipples outside. I'm telling you, it is so cold that my dog is loving life because Malamutes are snow dogs, so they're loving it. This right here is a door latch pin, an adjustable door latch pin, if you do not already know this. And this small little latch pin can actually get your stove up and running if by chance your door seal goes out to the point to where it's allowing too much air into the stove. Let's get right to the fix, shall we? Well, let's just show you here that this is what you guys are looking at if you have an Integra 1 or if you have a Rika Integra 2. They have the adjustable door latch also. Okay, so right now, I just wanted to show you that we got a brand new door kit on our door. Okay, which this little latch pin is set on the minimal setting for distance for the handle here in order to latch. That due to the brand new gasket, you can see here how it actually locks into place, and it's a nice tight fit. Okay, that's what you're supposed to have with your stove gasket, to where your door, and believe it or not, and this is actually in the manual, you can take a dollar bill and close the dollar bill. Just pinch it between the door there, and you should have pretty tight resistance pulling the dollar bill out. Okay? For you out there that you open up your door and well, I guess this really isn't that great of an example due to the fact that this door gasket has seen its better days. But if by chance your gasket is heavily deteriorated, obviously it's not going to be this bad, but it's broken down and you need to order a new gasket kit. But in the meantime, what we do here is you take a 10 millimeter socket like so, and you can see here that the latch pin actually slides back and forth like so. Okay, so you can actually tighten the door by loosening it up and twisting it clockwise. And then go ahead and reset the screw. Now on the back side of that screw, there is a nut. Okay, so be aware that if by chance you're trying to take the bolt off, you do have a nut back here. All right. Okay, so once you end up loosening up the bolt, twist it clockwise, and you might have to try 2 or 3 different settings, but you can see here that the setting that I have it on is way too tight for me to close the door. So what I would end up doing is, like so, spin it counterclockwise. And the door will lock into place just like so. Okay? So if by chance you get to where you have your door has already been adjusted, and who knows, you could potentially have a secondhand stove that you got from somebody else, and somebody else has already adjusted the latch pin here, that when you put the new gasket on, you should be able to turn this all the way back to the counterclockwise position in order to loosen it up for your door to shut properly. Now we have had a couple of people that they got the new gasket kit, they put it on, and their door wouldn't shut. okay, due to this scenario here of not being adjusted properly. And they write us back and they said, Scott, you sent us the wrong gasketing. Everything that we have has been tested and everything fits the way that it should. That's one of the benefits of dealing with Julie and I, is that when we help you troubleshoot a problem, we will make sure that you get the right part. Email us for the quickest response, offgridstovesandmore@gmail.com. If you have to call us, we'll get back to you within 2-3 days. That's what it's taken for us to get everything done. It's just Julie and I. 800-348-1021. All righty? You guys stay safe out there. Peace.